In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Charles Schwab paper trading account. The key thing to know up front is that Schwab doesn't offer a separate paper trading account you open on its own. Instead, it provides a powerful simulator called thinkorswim paperMoney, and you can access it either with a Schwab account or by using a time-limited guest pass. Here's what paperMoney is and why it's useful. It's a virtual trading environment built into the thinkorswim platform where you get $100,000 in simulated buying power. You can practice trading stocks, options, futures, forex, and more with real market data, all without risking actual money. It's perfect for testing strategies, learning the platform's tools, and building confidence before you place live trades. If you're already a Schwab client, getting into paperMoney is straightforward. Open thinkorswim on desktop or head to the web version and log in with your Schwab credentials. On the login screen, choose the paperMoney environment instead of live trading. On desktop, you'll see a paperMoney tab or toggle before you sign in. On the web or mobile versions, you can switch to paper trading mode after you're logged in. Once you're in paperMoney, your virtual balance will appear, and you can start placing simulated trades right away. Just remember, to use paperMoney in its normal mode, you must have a Schwab login tied to an active brokerage account. Your simulated trades and balances are fully separate from your live account, so nothing you do in paperMoney affects your real funds. If you don't have a Schwab account yet, you can still try the simulator with a guest pass. Go to the thinkorswim guest pass page on Schwab's website and complete a quick sign-up with basic details. You'll receive temporary credentials that let you access thinkorswim in demo mode only. This is strictly for paper trading. There's no ability to place real trades while using the guest pass. The guest pass typically lasts 30 days and gives you full access to the paperMoney simulator during that time. When it expires, you'll need a Schwab login to continue using paperMoney beyond the trial. As you practice, treat this like a learning lab. Try different order types, experiment with strategies, and review your outcomes. While the simulator uses live market data, remember that simulated fills can differ from real executions, so use it to refine your process and risk management. That's it. Whether you log in as a Schwab client or start with a guest pass, paperMoney is a powerful, safe way to build skills before going live. Happy practicing!